In today's tutorial, we're diving into VBA to explore a powerful tool that can enhance your interaction with users, MessageBoxes. The MessageBox function displays a message box and waits for the user to click a button, and then an action is performed based on the button clicked by the user. To open the VBA editor, we must go to the Developer tab of Excel and click on the Visual Basic option. You can also open the VBA editor with the shortcut key Alt plus F11. To add a new, empty module, click the Insert menu button and select Module. This is the syntax of the VBA MessageBox function. The first argument is prompt, is a required parameter. A string that is displayed as a message in the dialog box. The second argument is buttons. You can use this argument to specify buttons, icon style, button identity, and modality of the message box. The third argument is the title. You can use this argument to specify a title text for your message box, help file, and context. These parameters we use in very rare cases. Help file is a string expression that identifies the help file to use for providing context-sensitive help for the dialog box. Context is a numeric expression that uses to assign a help topic from the help menu. The button parameter of MessageBox allows us to configure the message box in many ways. Let's take a look at the group of constants used to select the buttons. vbOKOnly displays OK button only. vbOKCancel displays OK and cancel buttons. vbAbort retry ignore displays abort, retry, and ignore buttons. vbYesNo cancel displays yes, no, and cancel buttons. vbYesNo displays yes and no buttons. vbRetry cancel displays retry and cancel buttons. Let's take a look at different buttons examples. The first example is using OK only button. This gives you a simple OK button. The user can click on it after reading the message to close it. Let's run the code. The message box displays a message indicating a successful operation. It includes only an OK button. The second example is using OK cancel button. This constant gives you an OK and cancel button. Now the user has two options to press OK to proceed or cancel to exit. Let's run the code. The message box includes OK and cancel buttons. The user's response is stored in the variable user response. Depending on the user's choice, a corresponding message will be displayed. The next example is using yes/no button. Let's run the code. A dialog box is displayed with a message along with yes, no buttons. The user's response is stored in the user response variable. The if statement evaluates the response given through the message box. Depending on the user's choice, subsequent message box statements provide different messages. Assigning message box value to a variable. With the MessageBox function in Excel, you can decide what you want to do when a user clicks a specific button. And this is possible as every button has a value associated with it. This is a table that shows the exact values and the constant returned by the MessageBox function. 1 mean OK was clicked. 2 mean cancel was clicked. 3 mean abort was clicked. 4 mean retry was clicked. 5 mean ignore was clicked. 6 mean yes was clicked. 7 mean no was clicked. Let's also have an example. We have a message box with a title, yes, no, and cancel buttons. Let's run the code. The output for yes is 6. Message box icon constants. Apart from the buttons, you can also customize the icons that are displayed in the MessageBox dialog box. There are 4 icon constants. vbCritical shows the critical message icon. vbQuestion shows the question icon. vbExclamation shows the warning message icon. vbInformation shows the information icon. Let's have an example of using these icon constants. The first example is for using a critical message icon. The message box displays a critical message with a critical icon. It includes only an OK button. Let's run this code. The second example is for the question icon. The message box prompts the user with a question and provides yes/no buttons. The user's response is stored in the user response variable. Based on the user's choice, different messages are displayed. Let's run this code. The next example is for the warning message icon. The message box displays a warning message with an exclamation icon. It includes only an OK button. Let's run this code. The last example is for using information icon. The message box displays an informational message with an information icon. It includes only an OK button. MessageBoxes in VBA are a powerful tool for enhancing user interaction in Excel macros. Whether you need to confirm an action, gather user input, or provide important information, MessageBoxes offer a flexible and customizable solution. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.